I just heard a split.
We're country diggers getting down in the dirt. Metal detectors humming, sleeves rolling shirts. Looking for relics, the old lost treasures in fields and valleys, finding hidden pleasures. Digging up bottles from the days long gone.
Hey y'all, Jamie here with Country Diggers. I am out here metal detecting in this part of our pasture that nobody uses anymore. But I'm gonna do it live, but I'm only gonna do the live digs. I'm not gonna do it all the way through, live all the way through, so stay tuned. Take a looky here at my magnolia tree. The leaves are putting out good. Look at that. And it's growing tall too. I love it. My magnolia tree is growing and getting leaves put out on it and everything. It's beautiful. All right, on to detecting. Okay, I am using my Nocta Simplex Plus and my Excalibur Merlin shovel. And right here, I have like a 92, 93. Let's see what it is. Hopefully it's something good. Okay, just the camera good. Hopefully it's not a can or a pop top or anything like that. Or a tin pie pan. I find a lot of tin pie pans up this way too. But let's see. Okay, it's down in there. We're gonna just sit down again. Okay. Yeah, it's down there. Oh, I feel it. Right there. Huh. Okay, this... Very strange. Okay. Whatever that is, I don't know. So it's going in the bag for trash. I'll throw it away. All right, see if anything else. Ooh, yep, something else down there. I bet you it might be a nail that come loose. What do you bet? No. Well, if it's in there again, where'd it go? Well, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Ah, that's it, right in there. Okay, it's in this handful. Ah, there it is. Paint. Yep, that's it. Some kind of, I don't know what. Okay. Nothing else in there. Okay, we'll put these in the bag to throw away. All right. Well, I want you to look up there. Look at them trees. I hope you can see them. That wasn't done last time I was up here. It come a little windstorm with the rain the other day. It might have did it then. But, yeah, they're in my way now. Oh well. Alright, I got right here. This is a 58. It's 58. Probably another can. That's what I find. I am a can finding person, and a bullet finding person, and a junk finding person. Oh. But you know, I want to dig it all because you don't know. And there's something right there, okay? It's part of a can. I told you. I told you. Okay. Alright, y'all. I didn't get you out while I was digging, but I got something right here in my hand. Right there. Oh, dang. Another pull tab. Oh man, I thought I had something good that time. And I was berating myself because I didn't get you out for the dig. Well, I guess you're glad I didn't. Pull tab, alright. Okay, it might be something besides I think it is a can. Ah, darn. Okay. Can. Alright, looky what I found. A turtle. Can you see? I don't know if you can or not because I can't through this darn camera is in the way. I think he's alive, I hope. Let's see. Hey turtle, you alive? Yeah, I think he is. Alright. I was on my way back home when I was swinging back home, and I got this. I have no idea what it is. Just thought I'd get it out and film it in case it's something good. But it's probably not. Knowing this place. Let's see. It might be something good. I don't know. Could it be a belt buckle, maybe? I don't know. Well, it could be a belt buckle. I'm not sure though. I'll get it cleaned up when I get home and see, and I'll let you know. Alright. Yeah, I'm still on this hole that I was on when I found that buckle or whatever it was, but I got something green right here. Something green. Well, I'll have to see about that. It's green right in there. Alright, I'll take that home and get that cleaned and see what it is. Alright. As I just saw him move his head. He's alive. He's alive. Alright, turtle. Alright, Mr. Turtle. Yeah, you can see him move his head in there. Alrighty. Good turtle. We don't have nothing but junk today. We seen a turtle. We seen nature. I like turtles. Alrighty. Alright, I was walking back up this way and here's where the turtle was. He's gone. He couldn't have gone down that little hole. It's too big to get in that little hole. And he's gone. I don't know where he went. He couldn't have gone far because turtles can't crawl that fast. I mean, was only gone for like, down that way for like 15 minutes and come back up and he's gone. Nowhere. Oh, there he is. I see him. He's in a hiding spot again right there. Okay, there he is. I won't worry about him now because I thought he was gone. All right, we'll leave him alone. We'll leave him alone, and I'll leave you with the turtle. That's a good place to stop on. Beautiful turtles. All right, here's that buckle thing I pulled out. I'm not so sure it's a buckle now. I don't know. It could be like a drawer pull plate thing. I don't know. Anybody got any ideas? It is decorative in there. It could be a buckle. I don't know. Maybe a buckle or horse tack or something like that. I'm not sure. I'm gonna get it cleaned up more and I'll get back to you on it if I can figure out what it is. All right. Oh, and this right here, I don't know what that is. That's going in the garbage. I thought it might be something good, but it looks like some kind of, I don't know what, plug, screw, something. I don't know. But anyway, cool find today. I thought my best find was going to be the turtle, but I changed my mind. All right.